Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial episode, we will be learning how to change your BitMart password. If you are looking for a way to change your login password on BitMart, then follow these steps. First of all, launch open the BitMart application and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside the home page, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, go ahead and tap on the arrow right next to your email at the top. This will open up the accounts interface where you will need to tap on change password. Now, in the first tab where it says old password, type in your old password or the current password you are using. After you are done, go to the next field where it says new password and enter the new password you are trying to change to. Finally, re-enter your password in the last text box once again. Make sure you type in your new password one more time just to confirm. And finally, tap submit. Right after you tap on submit, you will then need to verify your email or your phone number. Tap on get code and enter the email verification code or your SMS verification code in the text box once you receive it. After you are done typing it down, tap on confirm, and that's how you easily change your login password. Now you need to use the new password whenever you sign in or withdraw from BitMart. Tap on re-login and enter your newly updated password along with your phone or your email to get access to your account again. That is how you easily change password on your BitMart application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.